Tuguskabusyo asorobotiro kubwatia ekiombe gyokwegera obwene bwa MWANYABANTO kia Human Rights Commission nigo bono giasokire na kugikiria egetambukiro ky'omurai bwensi ya Tanzania Mheshimiwa SAMIA SULUHU yogokania abatanzania kurwa sense yogochengera rituko ryabo eribanyoroto Obosibore rikageire kone kiwarituko ryankyo eserikali enzi ya Tanzania nigo bono yaruto gochika gochiasa abantu bae gochengera rituko eryo kurwa se chinka cyabo nabo igo bari abagokora egasi ya serikali kogendera emirimo yabo muri kitoli netinyambana agotumanya senchero bwikirano.
Viva Africa, viva Africa, viva, viva, viva Africa.
Gukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene y'ekyombekyo n'abarai b'ekyombekyo kya Human Rights Commission asebono barro kuburia guchasa abakenya boigo aba Africa wesokya abu ankyo na gokoro korobekana eriko gikeria enganeyo asebatebire nigo baguche korobekana gwika ase chiobisi cy'obubalozi bwense ya Tanzania aiga asomocho Nairobi.
She has gone one step further and announced the cancellation of Independence Day celebrations on December 9, 2025 to prevent citizens from assembling. And one would have thought if she had legitimately won the election by 98%, she would not cancel independence celebrations because the citizens would like to attend. Reports from communities, religious leaders, health workers, and rights defenders describe a state unleashed against its own people. Behind the facade of a poorly run election, Suluhu's regime has overthrown the constitution, weaponized state institutions to crush democratic demand, and engineered family rule.
Nigo abaraya bo baruro kubure guchasa omurai bwense ya Tanzania wetikia emeremo asekeri batebire buna osinyirwe n'emeremo asebaigo bamumochirie aso gutumia ebitengo by'oborendi bobe eri kubonereria abananchi bense yo.
Arbitrary arrests, immediate resignation and departure from office of Samia Suluhu Hassan to pave way for a transitional administration that works to restore citizen voice. We demand the release of all detainees, dropping of politically motivated charges, and guarantee of access to legal representation. We demand disbanding of all illegal security formations, including militia-style groups operating under the coded names, and expansion of foreign machineries deployed in the crackdown. We also demand immediate resignation and prosecution of police, the intelligence and military officials whose actions have resulted in the death, injury, and violation of rights of the thousands of Tanzanians. We demand the guarantees that the security services must act with restraint and within the law in protecting the fundamental rights and freedoms of citizens.
If Samia was able to garner 98% of the votes of Tanzanians, then definitely she would not cancel independence celebrations. And that actually is a testament to the fact that she knows she's not legitimate and she's just hanging in there.
Nabo baruro kuburia guchia ase serikali yense yo gutika kunereria abamenyi bororo kubaocherera nabo igo kuba Obosibore Bwabo.
Suluhu ameenda kinyume cha katiba. Pamoja na kwamba anadai kwamba amekuwa na ushindi mkubwa, lakini hatukuwa na sherehe yoyote ambaye watu walijitokeza kumsherekea. Ikiwa umeshinda na asilimia 98, inatakana wananchi watoke kwa shangwe na kuonesha kwamba umeshinda.
Security forces alongside foreign mercenaries reportedly operating from Uganda and Mozambique have been implicated in crushing protests and arresting evidence of abuses. Suluhu's recent statement openly encouraged the security services to eliminate protesters, reinforce the chilling reality that what is in play in Tanzania is not chaos but policy.
Moja ni kusisitishwa mara moja kwa aina zote za vurugu, ukandamizaji na ukamataji wa kiolela.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV, Erietariane Lenet Inyambane.